All right, history enthusiasts, grab your metaphorical pith helmets and prepare for an expedition unlike any other. Today, we're venturing back in time, not to the dusty plains of ancient Rome or the bustling streets of medieval Europe, but to a time when the Americas were a pristine canvas, untouched by the brushstrokes of human history. We're on a mission to unravel the captivating mystery of how the first people arrived in this vast and diverse landmass. Fasten your seatbelts, because this journey promises to be as thrilling as it is enlightening. The Bering Land Bridge Theory, a walk in the freezer with woolly companions. The most widely accepted theory for human arrival in the Americas centers around the Bering Land Bridge. Imagine a colossal landmass connecting modern-day Alaska to Siberia, a giant, icy walkway stretching across the Bering Strait. While it wouldn't be your ideal vacation destination, think sub-zero temperatures and hungry mammoths. This bridge served as a crucial pathway for early humans. When was this icy migration highway open for business? Scientists estimate that sea levels were much lower between 40,000 and 13,000 years ago, creating a prime opportunity for skilled hunters to follow herds of animals or simply explore this new territory. Picture small bands of people, bundled up in animal skins and armed with primitive tools, venturing across the frozen landscape. Their eyes, filled with a mix of trepidation and excitement, would be fixed on the horizon, a testament to the human spirit of exploration. Unearthing the past, the evidence trail of the Clovis culture. But how do we know for sure humans actually used this icy bridge? Enter the fascinating world of archaeology, where tiny clues become windows to the past. The discovery of Clovis culture artifacts in New Mexico, named after the town where distinctive spear points were first unearthed, provides some of the strongest evidence. These beautifully crafted tools, dating back roughly 13,000 years, point towards a skilled hunting society. Imagine the thrill of the chase. These folks weren't messing around. They were adept at taking down giant sloths, mammoths, and other impressive megafauna that roamed the Americas at the time. Beyond the bridge, a plot twist in the peopling narrative. Hold on a second, history buffs. Not everyone agrees on the Bering Land Bridge being the only answer. Some archaeologists point to tools found in South America that might predate the Clovis culture, suggesting a timeline that could be even older. This throws another fascinating theory into the mix. Could some early humans have arrived by boat, perhaps following the Pacific coast in a series of smaller migrations? Think about it. Imagine skilled seafarers braving the vast ocean in rudimentary boats, driven by a spirit of exploration and the promise of new lands. The possibility is certainly intriguing, adding another layer of complexity to the migration story. Perhaps these early mariners were blown off course by strong currents or deliberately followed the migration patterns of whales and fish, leading them to the shores of the Americas. A tapestry of arrivals beyond the Bering Strait. Here's where things get really captivating. The peopling of the Americas wasn't a one-time event. Over thousands of years, different populations likely arrived, each leaving their unique mark on the continent. Some might have ventured across the Bering Land Bridge, while others might have come by boat, following different routes or even directly across the Atlantic. Evidence for this diversity? Look no further than the incredible tapestry of languages and cultures that existed across the Americas when Europeans first arrived. From the sophisticated Maya civilization in Central America, with their complex calendar and impressive architecture, to the complex social structures of the Inca Empire in South America, and the unique traditions of the Inuit people in the Arctic, the diversity is mind-boggling. Imagine each group, with their own customs, languages, and beliefs, weaving their stories into the fabric of the Americas. It's a testament to the human spirit of exploration and adaptation, a story of resilience and resourcefulness that unfolded over countless generations. Beyond textbooks, the ongoing mysteries of migration. The story of how humans first arrived in the Americas is far from over. Scientists are constantly making new discoveries, and technology is constantly improving our ability to analyze evidence. DNA studies are providing crucial insights into migration patterns, and archaeological digs are uncovering new clues all the time. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll have a definitive answer to the Bering Land Bridge theory, or perhaps even more exciting migration routes will come to light. For example, some researchers theorize that early humans might have crossed over during periods of lower sea levels along a coastal landmass that's now submerged. The beauty of history is that it's never truly settled. New discoveries keep the story alive and exciting. Digging deeper. Tools of the trade. Let's take a closer look at the archaeological evidence that helps us piece together this migration puzzle. The Clovis culture spear points, with their distinctive fluted design, are a key piece. These beautifully crafted tools, made from high-quality stone, were clearly designed for taking down large prey. Imagine the skill and ingenuity required to craft such implements, relying on knapping techniques passed down through generations. Beyond spear points, archaeologists have also uncovered other artifacts, like blades and scrapers, that offer clues about daily life and toolkits of these early Americans. Beyond the tools, following the clues of language. While stone tools offer a tangible record of the past, language provides another fascinating layer of evidence. Linguists have studied the distribution of indigenous languages across the Americas, searching for patterns and connections. While hundreds of distinct languages existed at the time of European contact, some language families share similarities that suggest a common ancestral tongue. By analyzing these similarities, linguists can theorize about migration routes and potential timelines for population movement. Thinking outside the box. Alternative theories and ongoing debates. The Bering Land Bridge and coastal migration theories are the most widely accepted explanations for the peopling of the Americas. However, some researchers have proposed alternative explanations that spark debate and encourage further investigation. For instance, some theories suggest that humans might have arrived much earlier than previously thought, perhaps even during periods of glaciation when sea levels were much lower and a land bridge connected Siberia to Alaska even more extensively. Additionally, some scholars have explored the possibility of transoceanic contact. This theory suggests that early mariners from other parts of the world, like Polynesia, might have reached the Americas by boat across the vast Pacific Ocean. While there's currently limited evidence to support this theory, it highlights the ongoing debate and the spirit of exploration that continues to drive research in this field. The importance of the debate, why it matters. Understanding how the Americas were first peopled is more than just an academic exercise. It has profound implications for our understanding of human history, migration patterns, and cultural development. It allows us to appreciate the incredible diversity of indigenous cultures in the Americas and the rich tapestry of human experience that existed long before European arrival. By delving into these debates, we gain a deeper appreciation for the ingenuity and resilience of the first Americans, who braved harsh environments and unknown territories to establish themselves in this new world. The legacy endures, a land transformed. The arrival of humans in the Americas wasn't just about populating a new landmass. It marked a turning point for the continent's ecology. These early inhabitants weren't passive observers. They interacted with their environment in profound ways. They hunted megafauna like mammoths and giant sloths to extinction, and their use of fire likely reshaped vegetation patterns. Over time, they developed sophisticated agricultural practices, domesticating plants like maize, beans, and squash, which transformed the landscape and laid the foundation for complex societies that would emerge later. Looking ahead, a journey of discovery continues. The story of the first Americans is a captivating work in progress. Every new discovery, every archaeological dig, and every advancement in scientific analysis adds another piece to the puzzle. As we continue to explore the past, we gain a deeper appreciation for the rich history and enduring legacy of the people who first called the Americas home. So, the next time you bite into a juicy ear of corn or marvel at the architectural feats of the Maya, remember the incredible journeys and mysteries that lie behind these legacies. The peopling of the Americas is a testament to the human spirit of exploration, adaptation, and the ability to thrive in new and challenging environments. It's a story that continues to inspire and intrigue us, reminding us that the quest for knowledge about our past is a never-ending adventure.